We are Northern Nevada's source for premium residential landscaping and concrete. We do custom landscape design and construction, as well as all residential concrete services. What sets us apart is our attention to detail, our wealth of experience and knowledge, and our award-winning customer service. At Premium Lawn and Landscapes, every customer is number one and gets the attention they deserve throughout the entire process. When you need landscape construction, you want a company with experience and know-how to give you the results you want. And when you need ideas, we'll give you options that suit your budget and look great. Whether you need patio pavers or a retaining wall, Premium Lawn and Landscapes has you covered. If you need a new patio or driveway, our concrete division can help. We bring the talent, tools, and technology to tackle any residential concrete project. Elite Curb and Concrete uses only the most skilled tradesmen and strives to create a look and feel you'll love. We do all types of decorative concrete, including stamped and colored. We're happy and proud to stand by our work with a 1-year guarantee, so you'll have peace of mind. Premium Lawn and Landscapes is a company 100% dedicated to you. Call today or fill out the form on our website for a free quote and find out why we are the only landscaping and concrete company you'll ever need.